Hey, you got a PS? Where the PS5s at, man?
Hey,
Where the PS5s at?
where do we go now?
Look at my white boy. You ain't got no boxes from Cali?
Hell yeah.
No boxes from Cali? No PS5s?
Hey, them motherfuckers, man. This on real shit. Motherfuckers sending that shit off FedEx, send like a motherfucking free, son.
At the spot?
At FedEx, man. No lie, bro.
I might have to go there. I might have to. I might have to go.
They're probably gonna
I might have to get me. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get me a FedEx shirt and a FedEx hat and go down that bitch like I'm about to go to work. Stack some motherfucking joint. Yeah.
Hey, Slim, mix them had today 300 stops. Right now, I only got 2 left.
300 stops.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you killing them. Yeah, you definitely
It's
killing
probably
them.
this and Thanksgiving's probably all business time.
Yeah. But now, when I finish shit, go home.
Oh yeah, you good. Yeah, you
And
good. You good.
working,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Some motherfuckers are struggling right now.
Hell yeah.
So yeah, sure. All right, brother. All
All right, man, take it easy, man. Hey, you see any extra joints on that, man? Let that motherfucking PS5 fall off the back.